Okay, I thought we would take through today our off-grid water system. We carry 400 litres of fresh. We do use roughly 100 litres a week for showering and things, and then more if we're using the washing machine. So we've been off-grid 10 days and I'm just topping up the water, and I'll just show you through our water system. Firstly, we have 5 of these little water bladders here. They hold 20 litres each. I think they were 20 bucks each from Anaconda. And we went for the little ones because we can carry them on the Doroti, and they are small enough for me to manage. So we went for 5 little ones rather than 1 big one. And now I'll just show you how we get that from here into our tanks. Currently we are 10 kilometres away from the nearest water fill. So rather than take the truck to the water, we take the water to the truck as we come past in and out for work. So we just put our hose in here, goes into our 12 volt Azeto pump, and then just into our water fill line for our tanks as per normal. The truck is on because we run it off the truck 12 volt system. Turn that on. And now we're pumping away. It takes about 2 minutes, 3 minutes to empty each bag. That's not too bad. It goes through a filter here and then a big filter system on the truck. The filter does slow it down. And then we just go from bag to bag to bag until they're all finished. And now we're all done. So my water bladders are all collapsed. They're in the basket with all the hose fittings and things, and we'll just pop them back in the car. So next time we go past a water fill, I'll fill them all up again. But that 100 litres buys us about a week. A little bit less if we do washing. The quick wash uses about 30 litres. The long cycle wash for Tom's work clothes uses about 80 litres. So we try not to do the long cycle wash too much because it does use nearly that whole lot of water. But yeah, but it takes me about 15 minutes to do a fill. And I said this will pop in the car, and next time we go past a water fill, I'll just fill them all up again.